Your work is not too hard. Story episodes. Keep red ball pen. Even do you have red ball pen? Carrier of trigonometry is applied. The carrier of trigonometry is applied. Try Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Trypanosome lives in water. Trypanosome. Try. T-R-I. Try. Pano. P-A-N. Pano. S-A-N-O-Zoma. Trypanosoma. 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 Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma rhodicinis. Trypanosoma evanescens. Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma rhodicinis. Rhodi. R-H-O-D-I-C-I-E-N-S. Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma rhodicinis. Trypanosoma evanescens. E-V-A-N-S. Evanescens. Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma rhodicinis. Trypanosoma evanescens. Trypanosoma cruzi. Disease. American sleeping sickness. American sleeping sickness. American sleeping sickness. ASSS. Trypanosoma cruzi. TC. Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma cruzi. TC cause ASSS. American sleeping sickness disease. American sleeping sickness disease. This disease is called as American sleeping sickness. American sleeping sickness disease. American sleeping sickness disease. This disease is also known as Chagas. Chagas. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas disease. Chagas. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas disease. Chagas disease. This disease is known as Chagas disease. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas disease. This disease is also known as Chagas disease. Chagas. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas disease. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas. Chagas disease. C-H-A-G-A-S. Chagas disease. Chagas disease. Chagas disease. Trichonympha. Tricho. T-R-I-C-H-O-N-Y-M-P-H. Trichonympha. Trichonympha secrete cellulose digesting enzymes. Cellulose digesting DIGEST cellulose digesting enzymes. Cellulose digesting enzymes lives in gut of termite. Lives in gut of termite. Lives in gut of termite. Lives in god of termite. Lives in god of termite. Lives in god gut. Lives in god of termite. Lives 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 in god of termite. Lives in god of termite. Lives in god of termite. Trypanosoma cruzi. American AMERICN. American sleeping sickness as American sleeping sickness ASS as American sleeping sickness as American sleeping sickness as Chagas CHGS Chagas disease Trypanosoma cruzi called Chagas disease rhodiosinase rhodi rhodiosinase 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 cause rhodesian fever rhodesian fever disease rhodesian rhodesian fever rhodesian fever rhodesian fever Trypanosoma cruzi American sleeping sickness American disease American sleeping sickness Trypanosoma cruzi American sleeping sickness is also called Chagas CHGS Chagas disease vector water bug water bug Triatoma species Triatoma species Panestrum glycus vector tissue fly Glossina morsitans vector tissue fly Glossina morsitans Trypanosoma evansi Sura disease in cattle Sura disease in cattle and Sura disease Sura disease is very common in horse horse Sura disease is very common in horse horse Sura disease is very common in horse Sura disease is very common in horse and Sura disease is caused by Trypanosoma evansi 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 Trypanosoma evansi disease Sura disease in cattle vector Tavanus spices Tavanus Tavanus spices very common in horse Trichonympha Trichonympha lives in lot of termite association is symbiosis reserved food material is volatile granule carrier of trypanosoma in man is carrier of man carrier 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 of trypanosoma in man the carrier of trypanosoma in man is fly the carrier of trypanosoma in man is Trypanosoma. Who carry trypanosoma in man? Who carry trypanosoma in man? TC flight. TC flight. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in Holozoic type of nutrition. Holozoic HOLOZOIC. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Holozoic type of nutrition. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa is collagen. Disease caused by protozoa is collagen. Disease disease caused by disease caused by protozoa is collagen. Collagen is transmitted by sandfly. Collagen is transmitted by sandfly. Protozoan class that doesn't carry its name after its locomotive organ is sporozoa. Protozoan class that doesn't carry its name after its locomotive organ is sporozoa. Contractile vacuole of amoeba and some other protozoan are related with osmoregulation. Contractile vacuole of amoeba and some other protozoan are related with osmoregulation. In the amoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. In the amoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. Infective stage of Entamoeba histolytica is tetranucleate site. Euglena is flagellate. FLAGE flagellate. Primary basis of classification of protists is based on locomotive. Euglena is flagellate. EUGLEN. Euglena is flagellate. FLAGE flag. Euglena is flagellate. Primary basis of classification of protists. Primary basis of classification of protists is based on locomotive organ. Euglena belongs to the kingdom of Protista. Euglena belongs to the kingdom of Protista. Euglena belongs to the kingdom of Protista. Not Protista. Euglena belongs to the kingdom of Protista. 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 That's the local language. In which of the following is these are not a method of sexual reproduction? Plasmodium, amoeba, paramecium. All of the following. Which of the following is not a unicellular eukaryote? Which of the following is not a unicellular eukaryote? Dinoflagellates is mesokaryotic. Love of course. Dinoflagellates. It is all of frequency and all of frequencies. The infective stage of Entamoeba histolytica is tetranucleate site. Tetranucleate site. Infective stage of infective. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Carrier of trypanosoma in man. In man who carry trypanosoma. Trypanosoma carry who carry TC fly. TSE FL TC fly. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its name due to change in viscosity. Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa is collagen. 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 Hello. Ya Rasulullah. The carrier of trypanosoma in man is TC fly. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Holozoic, Holozoic, Holozoic type of nutrition. Holozoic type of nutrition. Holozoic type of nutrition is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Jar. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Jar. Kala-Jar is transmitted by sandfly. Protozoan class that doesn't carry its name after the locomotive animals is followed. Contractile vacuole of amoeba and some other protozoan are related with osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, OSM, OSM, related to osmoregulation. Interamoeba histolytica cause dysentery. Interamoeba, histolytica that cause dysentery. Interamoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. Infective stage of Interamoeba histolytica is tetranucleate site. Infective stage of Interamoeba histolytica is tetranucleate site. Raphael is ELLT flaglet. Euglena is flaglet. Primary basis of classification of protist is based on locomotory organ. Primary basis of classification. Primary basis of classification of protist is based on locomotory organ. Euglena belongs to kingdom of Protista. In which of the following is a fusion? Method of sexual reproduction. Plasmodium amoeba paramecium. Which of the following is not a unicellular eukaryote? Which of the following is not a unicellular eukaryote? Dinoflagellate is mesokaryotic. No.
No what?
No.
No but
No. This. 9:20. Infective. Ask me some questions related biology, zoology, or botany. Ask us.
I have some more.
You already asked me that type of question. Locomotive organ are from city. Dum-dum fever. Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. 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 Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Sleeping sickness, SLEUTIN. Sleeping sickness, SICKNES. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. The secondary host of trypanosoma for man is Glossina palpatus. Cell drinking may be technically expressed as pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Pinocytosis as pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Which cell organelle is found exclusively in protozoa? Contractile vacuole. Which cell? Which cell? Which cell organelle is found exclusively in protozoan? Contractile vacuole. Infection of one of the following may react lungs, liver, and brain. LLB. Intermoeba. Intermoeba. Infective stage of entamoeba histolytica is quadrinucleate site. Infective stage. Infective stage of entamoeba histolytica. Infective. Iron inefficiency. Infective stage of entamoeba histolytica is quadrinucleate site.
Intestinal sita.
I'll search. What?
In which segment the intestinal sita are?
Listen.
In which segment intestinal sita is present?
In which segment
Intestinal
intestinal city is found? Is found. In which segment city are found? All the segment except first and last. All segment except first and last. And now it just the first and last. Many segments are found. Intestinal city are found in all segments except first and last. Syllabus is same.
The function of gizzard. Gizzard is to grind the food. Grind the food and swell to find the steaks the limit.
That have two infection of one of the flowing infection of one of the flowing infection of one of the flowing may react infection of one of the flowing may react lungs, liver and brain. Infection of one of the flowing infection of one of the flowing may react lungs, liver and brain. LLB internal. Which cell organelle is found exclusively in protozoa? Which cell organelle is found exclusively in protozoa? Contractile vacuum. Which cell organelle is found exclusively in protozoa? Contractile vacuum. Cell drinking may be technically expressed as pinocytosis. Cell drinking may be technically expressed as pinocytosis. Cell drinking may be technically expressed as pinocytosis. PINO, pinocytosis as pinocytosis. Secondary host of trypanosoma for man is Glossina palpalis. Secondary host of trypanosoma for man is Glossina palpalis. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Trypanosoma. Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Dum-dum fever, TM, dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Dum-dum fever is caused by leishmania. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In which cell organelle is found exclusively?
What is the function of diplosol?
Diplosol.
Diplosol.
Function of diplosol. The function of diplosol. Closure in Ferritima, orthum. Function of closome in Ferritima. Ferritima posthuma means orthum.
Yeah,
Increase intestine surface area for more efficient absorption of digestive nutrients. Increase the intestine surface area for more efficient absorption of digestive nutrients. Right now, this is it. Increase the intestinal surface area for more efficient absorption absorption of digested nutrition. Digested digested nutrition. Nutrit nutrient. Function of diffusion.
Calciferous gland. What is calciferous gland?
Calciferous gland. Calciferous gland. Calciferous gland in earthworm. Calciferous gland in earthworm. You need function or definition?
Definition. Function and definition. What is the definition? Definition of calciferous gland.
Calciferous gland. Define CFEROU.
CAL is CIFEROUS.
CALCIFEROUS. Calciferous
gland.
Define calciferous gland. Producing or containing calcium.
Calcium carbonate.
You need short definition or long definition?
Short, 1 marks.
1 mark. An organ that make one or more substances such as hormone, digestive juice, sweet, tears, saliva or milk is called?
Yeah, in 1 marks.
In 1 mark. An organ? Calciferous gland. What definition is good?
First to tell the definition. What is it? First tell.
Calciferous gland present in segments and 1xb 14 and consist of pair of oesophageal pouches in segment 10 and a pair of oesophageal gland in each segment 11 and 12. That one is only gland, not a. What is the meaning of the calciferous? Meaning of calciferous?
No, meaning. Define. Google ma. Fast.
Definition of calciferous. Same definition. Calciferous gland, one of the series of glands that open into the oesophagus of various oligochaete worms that secrete calcium carbonate and that are believed to assist.
An organ.
One of a series.
An organ.
लिखना सक्छौ one organ also. one of a series series
series
of glands
of glands
that open
that open
opens into
into
the esophagus
the
oiso
yes yes
ई बाट चाहिँ esophagus ई त्यसलाई ई बनाइदियो नि त ES ESOPHA GUS esophagus of various oligocate OLIGO go CHAE TE oligocite
काइटा हुन्छ
टी मतलब oligocite ohms WRMS
WRMS
ohms that secrete
that's
calcium carbonate and that believed to assist in adjusting adjusting the pH of food material. Calcium, calciferous gland.
Let the six important status
Calciferous. Annelid. Earthworm is annelid or parasite? Earthworm is annelid or parasite?
What do you mean annelid?
Just say annelid or parasite.
Earthworm is not a parasite.
Then what is annelid?
I don't know annelid. That's why. Annelids.
Leech is annelid or parasite?
Leech is a parasite.
Leech is also annelid.
What? Leech.
Annelid.
Parasite.
Protozoa, paramecium, these are parasites.
Protozoa, paramecium. What do you mean by the common cilium? Yeah.
Common?
Cilium. In not mine. I tell you.
Common cilium. Spelling COMMON. Common.
COMMON. Common cilium.
What is common cilium? Say. Also common cilium.
The animals which take a benefit from others and others also take a benefit from this.
Common
cilium. भनेको यस्तो अर्गानिजम जसले अर्कोबाट फाइदा लिन्छ खाएर फाइदा त्यसलाई पनि फाइदा दिन्छ.
common cell is the carrier trypanosoma enhanced.
किनकि यसको यता हामी यसको इक्जाम्पल एउटा छ क्रोकोडाइल. क्रोकोडाइल जब पानीमा हुन्छ खतरनाक हुन्छ. बाहिर यस्तो मुख खोलेर किन बसेको हुन्छ?
Taking oxygen?
No. त्यसको दाँतमा जो लागेको हुन्छ नि मासु खाएको हुन्छ यो खाएको त्योबाट सफा गर्नको लागि. नत्र त्यसको सफा हुँदैन. त्यसको दाँतमा इन्फेक्सन भइहाल्छ. त्यसैले बर्डहरू आएर त्योमा खाएर गइहाल्छ. केही गर्दैन.
How connected?
Common cilium.
Common cilium. CSELLISM. Common cilium. Common CUMMONSALISM. Common cilium. What's the best example? What is communism? During petals utilize and feed on the focus of byproducts of other organisms, while those organisms are neither harmed or not benefited. Commensalism is a long-term biological interaction
Here commensalism parasitism
in which member of one species gain benefit while those other species neither benefit. At that time, crocodile take rest and bird came and eat that food. And at that time also, crocodile don't harm to bird.
Yeah. Because you also get a benefit from
Crocodile know bird are eating.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's what opening our mouth.
Commensalism, commensalism is long-term biological symbiosis in which members of one species gain benefits while those of other species neither benefit nor are harmed. This is in contrast with mutualism in which both organisms benefit from each other. Aminalism, where one is harmed.
जस्तै parasitism अर्को harm गर्छ हैन अर्कोलाई.
Parasitism one harmed and other benefit. Analyzing what is
harm
analyzing?
गर्छ.
Analyzing. Analyzing is one is harmed but other is unaffected. Unaffected. One is harmed and other. Communalism, and parasitism.
Parasitism to त्यसलाई harm गर्छ.
One is harmed and other benefits. Example?
What? You know.
Parasitism. Example?
के हुन्छ त्यो जुक्का हुने जुक्का.
Leech.
जुक्का.
Leech and other.
एउटा डिफ्रेन्स यो आमकोमा पनि लागेको हुन्छ नि सेतो त्यो पनि भयो एउटा पारासाइटिक सेतो किरा लागेको हुँदैन आममा त्यो पनि
भयो एफेक्टेड बट दैट
अनि खेतहरुमा त्यो लागेको हुन्छ नि जुक्काहरु लागिहाल्छ फुल निस्किन्छ त्यो पनि भयो पारासाइटिक बुझ्दाखेरि त त्यस्तै भइहाल्छ मात्र डेफिनेसन बुझ्नुपर्छ एक्जाम्पल आफै आइहाल्छ
पारासाइटिज्म example of commensalism. Example of commensalism. Symbiosis commensalism.
Symbiosis गर्नु के छ
Symbiosis commensalism.
Similar.
So here is written. What is the meaning of symbiosis? Symbiosis means?
Symbiosis means I know, but I forget this time.
Biology is the biggest thing. Go and work in, National Wild Geography.
Plants and animals interact all the time, but it can be a lot more complicated than just one thing eating another. These relationships between two different organisms can be examples of what we call symbiosis. Symbiosis can be defined as any kind of a close, long-term biological interaction between two different organisms. These interactions can be mutualistic. Commensalism are BB-sized spiders called dewdrop spiders.
How is spider here made like this type?
Nephilim could care less. She doesn't seem to know.
Biology is too tough.
The prey Nephilim
The whole world is connected to biology. Biology.
The dewdrop, on the other hand, is there to grab the scribe's commensalism. The ants roam freely over
Biology. Symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship. Commonly, common cell is not living. Like example, common cell is
कॉमन सर्विस में एक इंट्रैक्शन होता है एक स्पीसीज से दूसरे स्पीसीज के बीच में जिसमें एक स्पीसीज को फायदा होता है एंड दूसरे स्पीसीज को ना तो फायदा ना तो नुकसान होता है। आप अपने सामने लाइव एग्जांपल देख रहे हैं ईगल कैटल्स का जो कि ग्रेजिंग कैटल्स के आसपास घूमती रहती हैं रूरल एरियाज में। इसमें इग्रेट्स जो है वो कैटल्स के आसपास बढ़ते रहते हैं। जब कैटल चलते हैं तो उनके पैरों से भूसे डिस्टर्ब होते हैं।
common cell is means the interaction between two species. One species get benefit, but other species not get harmed or not benefit.
What it means?
It means
Common cell.
Common cell is listen. Common cell is interaction between two species in which one species get benefit, but another species not get harmed, not benefit.
This is a what?
Common cell is
No.
because in your example, crocodile what get benefit,
Hey, how crocodile get benefit and how the bird not get benefit? Tell me.
both are get benefit,
Yeah, that's
but
why.
no one harmed.
Yeah,
No one harmed.
no harm, but both are getting a benefit from each other. 68.
Symbiotic relationship. Great example of symbiotic relationship.
Your character research. What is 6 important character of phylum Annelida?
This one.
Yeah.
Bird skin and what is that? Symbiotic relationship. Come and take that hair of which animal? And from this they may maybe that animal get enjoy. that way you don't have to work.
Symbiosis means I think.
Common solution.
I think the one get benefit from others and
This
another
what is this
do
one?
not.
Dolphin or this one? Common solution. Whale.
Well, yeah.
No, what is this? That is animal parasite.
Parasitic animals.
What is found in the body of whale?
Some type of.
Whale brackles.
Sorry,
Two biggest
six
animals.
important characters of phylum Annelida. के गर्छ त्यसमा?
Interaction between two different organisms.
Hello everyone, let's learn.
सर्चमा टाइम छ मेरो कति भएको छ हुन त
What I have to search?
द 6 important characters of phylum Annelida. यसलाई बुकमा पनि दिएछ हैन दिमाग खराब कस्तो
Importance
गर्छ
of IMPORTANC. Importance of what?
phylum Annelida.
PHYLM. Phylum
Annelida.
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 Importance of phylum Annelida.
6 important points ma.
A lot of.
भन्नु जल्दी भन्नु भयो टेन्सन
There is already written 6 PORTANC. 6 importance of phylum PH.
characters
Characters CHARACT. Characters of
phylum Annelida.
phylum. Six character of phylum Annelida.
First aid man.
Take that.
I have 3 more questions.
Net is low. What? Right. A body wall which contains both circular and longitudinal muscles type. A phylum because of all annelid. Phylum annelid.
Points more.
Yeah, points count.
Too much lacking.
What happened to that is
मलाई टाइम छैन हौ बन्द गर्नुपर्छ मलाई
यहाँ छ त छाप्दै हुनु यहाँ आएछ ल द्याट कपी पेस्ट
या कपी पेस्ट आई नो बट आई राइट अ पर्फेक्ट आन्सर
दिस इज अल्सो द पर्फेक्ट क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक आर सेम
दिस इज नोट अ एन्ड दिस इज कोही चान्स
Very nice, sir. Characteristic of phylum Annelida.
कति लेखेँ
Characteristic of Annelida or phylum Annelida?
Characteristic of phylum Annelida.
Right. Yeah, net comes and goes. Whatever.
You stop your.
Okay, look, I'll search. Yeah, I know. त्यहीँबाट ल लेख आइसक्यो ब्रो आइसक्यो The Annelida are coilomate and tuberoblastic. They exhibit organ system level organization. Their body is segmented. They respire through their body surface. Nephridia are the excretory organ. They have only YouTube printing YouTube. You know, when you search from book, then it helps in your brain also. But nowadays you use AI, Google, then how it helps your brain?
Your opinion.
First read and then write.
Yeah,
Then you have remember.
I should know, but I write a perfect answer.
What perfect answer? Characteristic are same. In science, no perfect answer. Same things. What is the importance of nose? What is the importance of nose? Answer is same thing. That is importance of nose. Say. Nose is a sense organ of the body. It helps in respiration. Nose helps to take oxygen, and nose helps to throw out mouth through carbon dioxide.
Also, one type of respire through their body surface.
तुम तो धोखेबाज हो You believe now.
This phylum you will not present. Porifera, right?
Huh?
Porifera. Porifera.
Protozoa.
Protozoa.
No, I read my protozoa. That's protozoa. Protozoa term is given by Goldfuss.
The first to tell what is the locomotive organ of protozoa.
Locomotive organ of protozoa. Locomotive organ of protozoa. Option, locomotory organ of
No,
protozoa.
I can't provide you this option.
Locomotory organ হচ্ছে protozoa আবার হচ্ছে locomotory organ means what?
Because they help to capturing the foods which move from the air.
That is locomotory.
Yeah, this is the locomotive organ.
I don't know locomotory organ of protozoa. What is the locomotory organ of protozoa? Option, give me option.
Having more options, that's why.
Contractile vacuum, general body surface. Bro?
General, no.
General body surface. Locomotory organ of protozoa.
Give one example of
First in answer.
phylum protozoa. No.
Answer.
First to tell one example of phylum protozoa.
Same thing. Yeah. Phylum protozoa or protozoa same. Example of protozoa.
Yeah, example. Tell me example of protozoa. No, tell me an example of protozoa.
Intermoeba.
Living.
Intermoeba. Living.
Living organ.
Peva.
What?
Peva. Peva, you don't know. Paramecium volvex. Paramecium volvex euglena amoeba. Peva. They are the living protozoa. Living protozoa. Peva. Paramecium volvex euglena amoeba. Peva. PBE. Peva. Peva is free living protozoa. Locomotory organ may be that one. Locomotory organs are
You are reading a locomotive organ, but you don't know about the locomotion.
locomotory organ same.
Yeah.
Locomotory organ.
Locomotion is a process and locomotive organ is the organ.
Where I studied locomotory organ? Locomotory organ. Where is locomotory organ? Locomotory organ. Which is the locomotory organ of protozoa?
I think tentacles.
Tentacles. There are three main locomotory organ in protozoa. One, pseudopodia, flagella, cilia. Three, in amoeba, pseudopodia, flagella, euglena, trypanosoma, and cilia and paramecium. There are 3 main locomotory organelles. Three main locomotory organelles. Practical chemistry. You do practical well or not? How to make cement, you know?
No, there is a system.
If sir ask how to make cement, then you said, sir, I don't need to make cement factory. Why I need to remember how to make cement? I just need to get plus 2. So, and as what is happening? Do copy paste, do cheating and pass out. Allah Akbar Ya Rasulullah. Allah Akbar.
This is not copy paste.
Sallallahu. You know the meaning of trypanosoma? Where is the location of trypanosoma? LB, blood and location, blood and lymph and blood. In wet CSF of brain and spinal cord, cerebrospinal fluid of brain and spinal cord. Trypanosoma cause which disease? Trypanosomiasis. Trypanosomiasis. Trypanosomiasis.
What is collateral mean though? It's 5
Oh, bro, when you are in college, what is, there is not allowed to use phone. Then why you take the phone? Huh?
Collateral means chicken.
Shit, tell me no, bro. Oh, Mister
No.
Vivek. In college, mobile cell phone is not allowed. Bro, in college, cell phone is not allowed. At that time, you give me.
Lacking.
What lacking?
Hanging.
MB?
Hanging.
Eh, how is hang? Just it like
No.
a live section and how is hang?
Don't know about mobile. Blend words. Pseudo, especially pseudo like this one.
Trypanosoma. The carrier of trypanosoma in man is TCTC5. Holozoic type of mutation is found in protozoa. Holozoic type of mutation is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement with change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Azar. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Azar. Kala-Azar is transmitted by sandfly. Kala-Azar is transmitted by sandfly. Protozoan class that doesn't carry its name after its locomotive is exposed. A contractile vacuole of amoeba and some marginate with osmoregulation. Entamoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. Entamoeba entamoeba histolytica cause. Going into this color. The carrier of trypanosoma in man is TCTC5. Holozoic type of mutation is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Azar. Kala-Azar is transmitted by sandfly. Protozoan class that doesn't carry its name after its locomotive organ is sporozoa. Contractile vacuole of amoeba and some other protozoan are related with osmoregulation. Entamoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. The carrier of trypanosoma in man is TCTC5. TCTC5. Holozoic type of mutation is found in protozoa. Pseudopodia retain its movement due to change in viscosity. Disease caused by protozoa. Is Kala-Azar. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Azar. Disease caused by protozoa is Kala-Azar. Kala-Azar is transmitted by sandfly. Kala-Azar is transmitted. Entamoeba histolytica that cause dysentery. Which of the following is not unicellular eukaryote? Dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates is mesokaryotic. In which of the following is fusion not a method of sexual reproduction? Plasmodium, amoeba, paramecium. Plasmodium amoeba, Plasmodium amoeba paramecium, Plasmodium amoeba paramecium. Euglena belongs to kingdom of Protista. PROTST Protista. Euglena belongs to kingdom of Protista. Primary basis of classification of Protista is based on locomotor organelle. Primary basis of classification. The primary basis of classification of Protista is based on locomotor organelle. Euglena is flaglet. FLSGELLT flag. FLSGELLT flaglet.
What is the duration of RBC in our body? Time duration.
Time duration.
Uh,
What is the time duration of?
RBC in our body.
120 days.
Yeah.
Not call, you don't say time duration. You have to say life span of
life
RBC.
span. Yeah. Life span of
Then
RBC.
Life span of RBC.
RBC, WBC.
WBT 7 days. Maybe.
Platelets.
Platelets 90 days. How many days the platelets? Life span of platelets.
Platelets 2 or 3 days like.
Maybe. Something life span of platelets. These all are
2 or 3 days.
life span. Life span of WBC, white blood cells. WBC 13 to 20 days. Platelets.
Yeah, 13 to
platelets.
WBC.
About 10 days platelets.
Platelets, 10
Yeah,
days.
platelet. Yeah, from 7 to 10 days. What I say, 1 week. Then
2 or 3 days like.
No.
Yeah.
7 to 8 days platelets and plasma also.
Plasma is divided into 3. WBC and
Plasma.
Plasma is divided into 3 categories like RBC, WBC
What are the lifespan of plasma? 1 year.
and platelets.
Plasma 1 year.
Plasma is the phylum of this.
I
RBC,
know, but
WBC.
also plasma also have lifespan or not?
Yeah.
The combination of these all is plasma or not?
Yeah.
Then
What is the criteria?
plasma from donor with AB blood type is called plasma. Blood plasma lifespan of red blood cell 120 days. 120 days. Range 70 to 140 days. What is the range of hemoglobin in a human being? Range of hemoglobin. Number of hemoglobin. Number of Number of
2-3
hemoglobin.
days is 2-3. What is it?
Number of hemoglobin in human body. Normal hemoglobin level for males is 14 to 80 g per gram per dilute, and female is in female low. तुम तो धोखेबाज हो, वादा करके भूल जाते हो, तुम बड़ी चालाक हो, मुस्कुरा के यूं सताते हो. 10. Yeah, bro, 10. So now is 11, 10. छोरो किले सिकबे से प्यार करो सी.
बन्द गर्नु त्यसले मैले आफ्नो बन्द गर्नु अब यहाँ गर्नु छ
के गर्ने के हो च्याट जिपिटी
या बन्द गर्नु
अफ क्रस ओके